my dear students of Part Bhavan. Student, today is 23rd July, the birthday of Chandrasekhar Azad. He got our freedom due to the sacrifices of our freedom fighters. Sacrifice of our freedom fighters and nationalists, they have fought relentlessly against the colonial rule of the British Empire. One of the greatest martyrs of Indian independence is Chandrasekhar Azad. He was an ardent nationalist and the real son of Mother India who had no fear of any superpower. His bravery will always be remembered and printed in India history of freedom fights. His name was Chandrasekhar Tiwari. He was born on 23 July 1906 in Bhavra, Jamui district, Madhya Pradesh. He belonged to a poor family. Chandra grew up with the Bhil tribal kids and influenced in sports. He was extremely fit and posed an athletic figure. His mother dreamed of making him a Sanskrit scholar and sent him to Kashi Vidya Peeth in Banaras. It was then he was introduced to nationalism. He grew extreme love for her country and became a freedom fighter. He was extremely troubled by the Jallianwala Bagh incident in 1990. He was just 13 years old when he joined the non-cooperation movement launched by Mahatma Gandhi in 1920. He actively participated in such movement and was arrested by the British government when he was 16 years old. It was then he introduced himself to the police as Azad and his father as Swatantra. The magistrate, witnessing such courage, became furious and ordered him to a whiplash. He can understand from the Chandrasekhar Azad. The non-cooperation movement was withdrawn by Mahatma Gandhi in 1922. His nationalist sentiment and the dream of seeing his country to be free received a huge blow. He became more aggressive and understood that non-violent movement like this will not shake the British Empire pillars. He joined the Hindustan Republication Association after meeting Ram Prasad Bhismli and started gathering funds. It was not enough for the freedom fighters to fight such a huge empire with so many limited funds. He then planned the famous Kakuri conspiracy in 1925. He planned how to loot a government train and gather weapons for further freedom activities. He identified the Secretary Lopez and interpreted a train at Kokri. A passenger died as a casualty of the conspiracy and the British coined it as a murder. Bhismi was arrested along with Ashrafullah Khan, but Azad escaped. He then moved to Kanpur, the headquarters of HRA. He met Sukhdev, Rajguru and Bhagat Singh, the most feared freedom fighter back then. He renamed HRA to the Hindustan Socialist Republication Association in 1922. Lala Lajpat Rai died from bloody charge in the same year. He planned to take revenge by killing James Scott but accidentally killed J.P. Saunders. Eventually, all his acquaintances were arrested, but he managed to escape using his excellent discussing capabilities. This is why he was named Quicksilver. One day, an informant leaked his location. Policeman was already present in Afreed Park, Allahabad. He was surrounded and was severely injured. He used his last bullet to kill himself but did not surrender to the British police. The legacy of the Chandrasekhar Azad will be remembered every time India celebrates its independence. He showed up to love our country passionately and told us to be prepared to do anything. His unconditional love and selfless sacrifice are considered to be epitome of patriotism in India. So student, today I tell a two poem on चंद्रशेखर आज़ाद in हिंदी. पहचान आज़ादी है, समझ गया कि अंग्रेज़ों ने जो की चालाकी थी, मेरे देश में घुसकर चलाई अपनी मनमानी थी. उसी वक्त मैंने कसम सबके उन्हें देने की खाई थी, जब जाकर चंद्रशेखर आज़ाद ये पहचान बनाई थी. दूसरे आपसे बेहतर करें ये नहीं देखना चाहिए. हर दिन अपने से रिकॉर्ड तोड़िए, क्योंकि सफलता की लड़ाई आपकी खुद से है. ये पंक्तियाँ चंद्रशेखर आज़ाद ने कही थी. आज उनका जन्मदिन है. आज के दिन वो पैदा हो गए. हमें अपने स्वतंत्रता सेनानियों का सम्मान करना चाहिए. ओके, बाय बाय. Hello my dear students of Part Bhavan.